Dock your 2.5 inches or 3.5 inches SATA III SSDs, HDDs over USB 3.0 with UASP. Compatible with USB 3.0 enabled computer systems such as EliteBook Folio 9470mm and 2.5 inches or 3.5 inches SATA solid-state drives and hard drives. HDD dock, SSD dock, USB hard drive dock, SATA hard drive dock, SATA 3 6 gigabits per second, SATA HDD SSD dock. Compatible with USB 3.0 enabled computer systems such as EliteBook Folio 9470mm and 2.5 inches or 3.5 inches SATA solid-state drives and hard drives. 70% faster than traditional USB 3.0. Save time, with file transfers up to 70% faster than traditional USB 3.0 when used with a UASP-supported host. Hassle-free access to drive data, with hot-swappable top-slot loading dock design that supports both 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches HDD, SSDs. Supports 2.5 inches and 3.5 inches form factor SATA hard drives, HDD, and solid-state drives, SSD. UASP support. Attached SCSI Protocol Specification Revision 1.0. Compatible with USB 3.0 halves. 0/1. 5 gigabits per second, 480 megabits per second, 1.5 megabits per second. Compatible with SATA Revision I, 2, 3, 1. 5/3. 0/6. 0 gigabits per second, drives. Plug and play and hot swap compatible. Top reviews from the United States. I use this all the time for backups, until I bought a SATA enclosure. This thing works great and always has. I have not had any trouble with any of the StarTech devices I have owned. I consider their stuff excellent and I check with them first if I have any computer needs I think they can fulfill.